So, mornings with house are like this. He sleeps in the carrier during the night, pero nagigising siya na madaling araw. So, when he wakes up during the wee hours of the morning, like 3 a.m., 4 a.m., he goes out to poop and pee. Tapos, hindi ko na siya binabalik sa carrier. So, he goes on top of my head. Diyan siya sa unan ko. Tutulog. Kakada lang siya sa akin like this. So, later, we will be waking up. 8 a.m. pa lang. We usually wake up at 10. So, kada muna kami ni house. Good morning, everyone.